So the first thing you want to do to fix this problem, first way is you just want to type in this to your Google browser, type in all signed in devices Google, and you can click on this link right here, and you can actually click on this link right here again at the top one, and it'll show you that you have a critical security alert. And how you fix this and what this means is it basically means that Google thinks that there's another account that is not yours that is trying to sign into your account. So it's basically saying you're at risk right now. So you basically want to click on the check activity right here, and you can actually secure your account. But if you actually want to see what devices or why this is happening before you actually secure your account, if you think that this is not your device in the middle of the screen right here, you just go back and you click on the take action option, and it'll bring you to the security checkup on the screen right here. And from here you can basically be run through Google's security test right here. So you basically just want to just check your account to make sure all of these boxes are correct, and you can just click on all the drop downs to actually make sure that you have safe browsing enabled and you have sign in recovery, and basically have all of these securing factors to make sure no one is able to actually log in or get your information from your account. And as you can see, we can also click on this drop down right here, and you can actually see if we don't see any unfamiliar activity. If we do see any, you can just click on this here, and you can simply change your passcode. Now, changing your passcode will basically reinsure that your account is safe and will basically remove this critical security alert just by changing your passcode. If that does not work, the second way you're going to want to do is you simply go to Google Account Support. Just type this in right here, and you just want to go to Google Help right here, and you can actually chat with the live assistants right here. These are live people to discuss your issue of this critical account error and that you want to secure your account. Or you can actually scroll down past all of this and click on the drop down for account security right here. When you click this on, you can see we have a bunch of options right here, but we're going to click on suspicious activity, and you can see there's a bunch of different boxes on ways that we can actually fix this. Just changing our passwords, someone else might have changed your password, or removing malware or unsafe softwares just from your Google account or computer. But if none of these work, what you're going to want to do is you simply want to go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on send feedback for our help people, and you basically just want to click on this help content and information, and you actually want to send a screenshot just to saying a little bit about the different methods that you've actually tried to remove this. Now, these are all the methods I've tried, so you basically want to send this report after none of these work, and you want to check this box so you can get more information actually when they email you back, and you simply click on the send option, and this will allow you to actually fix this critical account error on Google.